Welcome to our Tijuana clinic. Here I am with Chris. Wait, Chris, what's your name?
Chris.
Okay, I know. Bad Saturday Night Live.
A little nervous.
Okay, now, 10 years ago, you experienced something horrible.
Right.
Okay?
Yeah.
And currently, with some interventions, a lot of people are experiencing it. And you've had a lot of issues going on for 10 years, but I know you came down here and you've had some positive results. Would you be comfortable with sharing what happened?
Yeah, I'll try. About 10 years ago, I had Guillain-Barré syndrome out of the blue, and it really wiped me out. I was in the hospital for about a year, and basically I didn't move for two solid years. And I did improve a little bit, but then you get to a point where, you just try to maintain stuff, and I'm having trouble maintaining the little bit that of recovery that I've had, but I've really had some success when I come down here to get some of the treatments offered down here.
Yeah, now what kind of stuff did have you received down here? Like IVs, light bed, chiropractic?
Yeah, they had this wonderful neurological IV package that I'm doing now, and I'm looking at maybe trying the stem cells eventually, but not quite yet.
Mm-hmm.
But
yeah, one of the things with stem cells, I recommend it a lot, but first, you got to fix the problem. You got to fix the physical stress identified on the x-rays and nerve scans, and then you've got to look at the brain. The brain needs a boatload of work, and this is why we got you doing some cross-crawl stuff. And I'm talking as simple as sitting, moving your legs with weights. So it's not like working, shoveling, or picking, or moving lumber.
Right.
Okay, it's just getting both halves of your brain to fire off correctly, and that's the key. And so when we get that physical, chemical, and emotional stressors addressed, then beautiful, man. That's when stem cells are effective.
pretty soon, I think that's the next step for me. Hopefully, soon.
Now, brother, there's a lot of people, okay, that don't look for alternatives. They're stuck in that medical mindset. And I know you went through that. Okay, what could you tell them? Because they don't have hope. And if you're seeing, just a little bit of improvement, beautiful.
Yeah, I do think there's some issues with treatments offered out there for people suffering from, residual paralysis from Guillain-Barré, and it does require certain treatments that really hone in on trying to improve those areas. And I wish there was more of it out there, but unfortunately, you got to go far away sometimes to get the treatment.
Buddy, okay, honest God, this is how I found this place.
Right.
I think it was like 23 years ago. I got mercury in my mouth, okay, and I was looking for the Huggins protocol. There was one guy south of San Francisco that was doing it, and the guy down here in Tijuana. And you're talking, you for the right therapies, sometimes you got to go to a different country.
It's unfortunate.
It's unfortunate because some of the stuff we do down here, you can't do up north.
Right.
If you're diagnosed, and this is a label, and buddy, the whole thing is if you get a chance to build your cells healthy, and that's the nervous system, the gut, everything, and that's what we're working on. The gut, the brain, the physical stressors, everything. You get a chance to regenerate that, then your body can recover at its maximum.
Definitely try to get yourself a little better, because life is better when you're better.
It is. Okay, I mean, don't accept the label, don't accept the diagnosis, find the solution. And thanks, man. Thanks. I know this is it is like running a friggin' marathon, but you did a hell of a job,
Okay.
brother.
All right.
Okay, God bless you all. Stay healthy, my friends.
Thanks.